Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have done many of the things using Android development series, and we have also just started the Java series with that. So today we are doing the Java video, and today in this Java video, I will be telling you that how we can just build an amazing RSS news feeder. I'll be telling you that how we can build this amazing news feeder from start to end using Java, because we have already built this news feeder using HTML, CSS like languages, but today we are building it through Java. So I hope you'll be understanding today's video. So if you understand, enjoy this. So remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing projects using these all amazing tutorial languages which I'm telling you. And also share this video so more people can learn and they can understand about these things which we are just doing through our channel and through our videos. So now we'll be starting with our video, and basically we'll be seeing that how we are building this amazing project of you can say this Java project, and what project we are building. Like I'm telling you, we are just building this amazing project here. So now we'll be starting with this and seeing how we can build it from start. So just like I'm telling you that today we are just building an amazing project, and today I will be just telling you that how we can just build this amazing project. And today we are just building an amazing project of newsfeeder, and I hope you will be understanding this video of newsfeed. So just now we'll be starting with this, and we'll be seeing that how we can build this amazing newsfeeder project here in Java, because we have already built this newsfeeder previously on using HTML, CSS like languages, but now I'm building it using Java. So I can tell you that how you can use different language to build these amazing projects which we have built in previous languages. So now we'll be starting with this. So for building this amazing project here, you have to first of all make a new window in which we'll be opening our file. So I will be closing my previous VS Code window. Then I will be opening my folder here. My folder is on desktop. You can see here is my folder with the name of RSS newsfeed project. So I'll be opening this. Now here we are containing all these files. I will be removing these all codes. These are the code which I have taken from internet, because these are the code of, you can say, libraries which we will be using in this project. So I will be now writing newsfeeder project, save it, and then you have to move to this styling file. I will be removing things from this here as well, because I will be not needing these all stuff. Then remove this thing also, because here we will be not needing. This will be in this JS file. We will be getting our URL here, means in this Java file we will be getting our URL, and when we'll be writing our URL in Java file, so we'll be getting our newses of we will be then getting our newses in our newsfeeder project. So I will be now opening this file here. Press Ctrl B to close side panel and open this file in your default browser. So my default browser is Google Chrome, like you all know. So I have opened this file. Now I will be doing it side by side, so I can just get my code at the left, and at the right I should be getting my interface side. After getting this, you have to move in this body tag. Then you have to just give it the ID here, which should be canvas. And here I will be now writing div ID, and in this ID I will be now writing heading. After writing heading, you have to create h3 tag, in which I will be writing image source, which will be icon finder. This is the image which we will be using, means this is the logo of the news RSS feed reader which we are building. So I will be now writing in capital RSS feed for, and then you have to give a space. Right here spare ID. In ID I will be writing selection title like this. Then here you have to now just write BBC News, and then you have to write world. So here I will be now writing BBC News like this, and I will be writing world. So in BBC News you will be getting world newses. So I'm just using this here in my project. After writing this, here you have to move down. Right here h4 ID date. Then when you've written here, I will be now moving down div ID, and in ID I will be now writing feed. Right here text like this, a text area. Then you have to write here UL tag. After writing UL tag, we have written this script tag here like this, so we will be not needing. Save it here and reload. You can see now we are getting RSS feed for BB News World. So we have to just style this. Then we will be getting then we will be writing our URL here, so we can just style, so we can just get our newses here on this page when we'll be moving on to our Java file and working with that. So I will be now writing here the background color, which should be like E4. Then write here 2C64. After writing this, you have to now write here hashtag canvas. Then you have to write here box sizing, which should be border box. Then you have to write width, which should be 600 pixel. And here I will be now writing background color, which should be like light blue. So here I will be now writing. Then you have to now write here margin, which should be 50 pixel, and write here auto. Then you have to write here padding 40 pixel. After writing padding, you have to now just give it the font family, which should be like Bouchet MS. Then here you have to now just write like this. So here I'm using a new font families here. So I'm writing here Unicode like this. Now you have to just make this tag here and write here Lucida Grand like this. And here you have to now just write here Lucida Sense. And then you have to now move here, right here Arial. And I will be now just moving like this, right here Arial, comma, like this, and right here sans serif. So when you've written this, here I will be now moving down, right here heading, and then you have to write here text align center like this. So here I will be now writing, then write here h3 and write font size which should be 25 pixel, padding 15 pixel. Then I will be writing here span color which should be 614 AD3. Then when you've written this, here I will be now writing date which should be like color, and then I will be now writing the color which should be E42C64. Then after writing this tag here, you have to now just do one thing. Here I will be now moving down, right here UL. Here I will be writing this style which should be none, and right here font size 16 pixel. Then write text transform which should be like capitalize. Here you have to write UL A tag, then write here text decoration none, right here color which should be 614 AD3. Then here you have to write font weight 800. Then I will be now writing here font size 1.2 em. Now you have to write ULA, write hover, and in hover I will be writing color E42C64. Then you have to save it here, and after saving this thing, here you have to now just reload here, so we can just see this thing working. You can see now we are getting our new font family which we have used, and we are just also getting the background color here. Then you have to move in this file in which we will be writing the code, so we can get our news on our page here which we are getting in this Java file. So I will be writing here let URL, then you have to give the URL from which you will be getting your news here. So I'll be writing bbci.co.uk/news/ then I will be writing technology / then I will be writing rss.xml. Then you have to just write const and write here text area is equals to right here document dot query selector. Then here I will be now writing feed dash, then I will be writing here text area, and now you have to write UL. After writing UL here I will be giving a space from here, then close it. After closing this you have to write here const date is equals to new date. So here I will be now writing this, then make this bracket here, and here you have to now write document dot query selector, and here you have to write hashtag date like this. Then you have to write inner, and then you have to now just write is equals to data dot, then I will be writing to date string. So here I will be making this bracket now here. Then when you've written this, here you have to just write feed, and then I will be now writing nami dot load, and here I will be now writing URL, and here I will be moving down right here dot then, and right here feed is equals to like this. Then here I will be now writing text area, and after writing this here I will be writing dot value is equals to, then write here console.log, and I will be now just writing here feed. Then you have to just move down right here for let any, then I will be now writing, or you can say entry of feed. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to write here entries like this. Then you have to just move down, then here you have to write create a list like this, and here I will be writing element. So you can see we have now just written this create a list element here, and I will be now writing let I li document dot create element. Then here I will be writing li. Then you have to move down right here add, and then I will be now writing here content like this to list items. Then you have to just move down li dot inner, and then here you have to just write is equal to, then I will be now writing my URL here in this file, and you have to now just write href is equals to, then write this thing, and then here you have to write entry like this, and then you have to write here link. After writing link you have to now just do one thing, you have to make this tag, and then here I will be making this right here entry dot title like this, and here I will be now just writing and closing this tag. Here also I will be closing it. Now after closing here you have to just move down right here append, then I will be writing HTML content, then I will be writing to list, and here I will be writing text area dot, then write append child like this thing, Then here I will be now just writing li tag, and here you have to just close it. After closing, now we will be writing in the comment, so you can just remember these are the things which we have used in this project of Java which we are building of RSS news feeder. So I will be now writing to fetch the RSS feeds, you have to use feed nami. So here I will be now writing RSS feeds which we are fetching here. Then you have to just now write the URL of the site from where we are taking the news is. So I will be writing toolkit, and in this I will be writing .secando.com. Then you have to write here /docs. Then I will be writing en/feednami like this. Then you have to now write here feeds. So here I will be now writing feeds from BBC News. So here I will be now writing this thing. Then write here https/ then you have to write www.bbc.com/news/10628494. Then I will be now writing hashtag users like this. Save it here, save it, and then reload. So if I reload here, so you can see we are just now, if I show you, you can see we are getting this stuff, but we are not getting our news which I have shown you here. Reload here. So you can see now, if I just show you, you can see we are getting all the newses. You can see this. You can just also, when you will be pressing any of the news here, it will be taking, or you can say it will be redirecting you to that news. If I press this, you can see it is redirecting me to that news here like this. So this is the thing which I want to show you, and it will be showing you the newses of the latest date. Means today is Thursday, May 4, 2023. So it is showing me dates of May 4, 2023 on the day of Thursday. So if I press this, in while using, I'm pressing control and then I'm pressing this link. So after pressing this, we are now getting the link on the other side. So if you want that, you should also be getting the link on other tab. So you have to press control, then press the link. And if you want on the same link, so you can directly press it, and then you can move on to link of the news which you have read. So this is the amazing RSS feed reader. We have built the same feed reader previously on, but that was you can say in other language, but today we have built this amazing RSS news feeder project using Java, and I hope you understand this how we have built this. So if you have understand, enjoy this video here of this news feeder project which we have built. So remember to hit a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing projects using these all amazing languages. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.